Yo, what's good guys? My name is Dragonmaster F1 and this is editing tutorial part 1. So many of you have been asking me to make an editing tutorial and yeah, I'm making an editing tutorial and this is gonna be a series in which I teach you stuff step by step how to edit stuff. And yeah, in this video specifically, I'm gonna be going through what and all I use to edit my own videos and the softwares I use to edit my own videos. And yeah, let's get on with it. So the software I'm using to edit my own videos is DaVinci Resolve. And the reason I'm using DaVinci Resolve is because it's 100% free. It does have a studio version, which is the paid one, but the free version has 95% of the features that the studio version has. And it has literally everything but just manually, other than the studio version which has an automatic feature. But whatever it is, it's free. And the reason I'm also using this is because it's better than other editing softwares like CapCut, After Effects and stuff. It's because they want you to pay money for them for you to export your own video, and you don't actually own the software, you just have like a subscription. But this, you own it fully. It's for your you bought it, you own it. It's like that. And the other reason is because it has many features like fusion, color grading, music settings, cutting, editing, photo albums, like literally everything you need to know to edit a video and start a YouTube channel. So this is one of the reasons I'm using DaVinci Resolve, although it does lack some templates and features that the other editing software have. But this, we can also use mods, such as if you go in FX, I have personally downloaded SwiftPack 2, and this has literally everything that you need to have for you to edit. And yes, you can do this without installing the mod, which is SwiftPack 2, but you gotta do it in Fusion, and it takes a lot of time. So that's why I use SwiftPack 2, just because it saves me a lot of time. And another thing is, there are many other plugins just like this SwiftPack 2, not specifically for editing but also for text, images, etc. You can just download it, and I leave the link for the SwiftPack 2, but you would need to know how you should actually access SwiftPack 2. So go into Chrome and you go in Google, search up SwiftPack 2 DaVinci Resolve, and you come across Supercut. This is the creator of SwiftPack 2, and you go in, you see Ko-fi right here, Ko-fi, you go in there, okay, and you will see this. And right here, this is where you get confused. So it says you need to pay, but it's completely free. You can just enter 0, or if you want to enter a digit, you can just type it in, and you can get it for free. And there are other free plugins too. If you want to check it out, feel free to do so. But this is how I got SwiftPack 2. And in DaVinci Resolve, all of this has features that is really useful for editing. For example, I'll teach you the basics of DaVinci Resolve. Like, let me take this screenshot. It's only a screenshot, not an actual video. And I'll take this sound. So in DaVinci Resolve, there are basically two simple things. This is the audio. You can see audio right here. And this is a video. Even if you paste a picture, this counts as a video. And you have this audio, you can shrink it down. It's as simple as that, alright? And you can even do this, but let me show you how to actually use the things, okay? So I'm gonna increase the volume. Simply you can increase like this. This is too loud. It can burn your ears or destroy them. Usually 0 decibels is the way to go, but this looks too slow, so I'll just put it up to here. And let's take another screenshot, can't we? And keep it right over here. Okay? You play this. This does not work. This is the pause button, okay? This does not work. This is what plays. It's what plays. Right? You can even edit the sounds right here. You can do it. You can do anything. Okay? It's just a free editing software. And you go into effects. In order to use these, you would need an adjustment clip. I will tell you more about this in a future tutorial video. So you can just crop this and you can just take any stuff you want. For example, I'll take this, okay? This does get a little laggy. Alright. Yeah. It didn't change because I used the same picture, but if it did, it would have changed. You can even put like black bars with glow line. Okay? See that? So yeah, this is also why I actually use editing software, this specific editing software. Yeah, it does lag a little bit sometimes, but other than that, it's really easy to use. But if you go into Fusion, it does look really difficult to do. I mean, there's so much. You can take some stuff from here too, like you can add glow, you can control it, and you can gain, you can not gain. It's up to you. Alright, I'll teach you more of these in later. This glow effect would come helpful in color grading. Color grading is a really useful thing. It's really useful. Alright, I'll teach you more about this in the next video, hopefully. And this is DaVinci Resolve. I use this for editing, and I'll leave it in the description below. And many people also ask me, where do I get the sounds from? Well, I use it from audio.com, and you can just search up I don't know, let's search up Montagem Elder, and you just come up, the songs come up, and although there are not gonna be everything, so what else I do is I go onto YouTube, I search up the song I need. It's Manana super slow, I guess, and it just pops up, right? And you are gonna question me, how am I gonna take this and put it in the edit? Well, basically, there's this OBS. It records literally like everything, even the sounds and stuff. This is also what I'm using right now to edit, by the way. So this is a free version of editing recording things or something. Alright, so this is what I'm using to record right now. You can stream. I'll get to that afterwards, but this is how I get the clips. But some people also have asked me, where do I get the clips from? Where I just usually searched up on Google Max Verstappen scene pack, let's go, and it just pops up one of the best scene packs and stuff. If you don't want to go into Google, you can just go into YouTube, put Max Verstappen clips. Let me put scene packs, okay, and it just pops up the best ones. You can just choose it personally. And yeah, there are W creators who actually make this stuff. And if you, I also, when I don't want to use clips from scene packs, I usually just go into official the Formula 1 stuff and something. And yeah, that's how I get the clips. And let's get to the OBS. Yeah, the OBS. The OBS is a W software. It's literally one of the free softwares that you can use to edit your videos. And you can see that I'm talking right now, macOS 8 capture. You can literally do anything with this. It's basically built for free screen recording and free video recording systems. So I'll leave the description for this down below too. And yeah, this is all for this video. And the next video I'll hopefully teach you about color grading and adding alpha output and basically adding pictures around this. Okay, basically adding pictures around this Max Verstappen picture. Alright, so yeah, if you want to check that out too, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so I can edit that out. And other than that, this is Dragonmaster F1 signing out. See you next video.